Hello, I'm Professor Danielle Martin from Ryerson School of Fashion. I'm here to show you how to make masks at home. Let's begin! You fold the mask ties in half lengthwise and then you press all along. At the end of each tie, fold 1/4 of an inch along the raw edge and press. You press for only 3 inches. Place the two fabric pieces on top of each other. Pattern side up if the tea towel is printed. Turn the mask so the seams are inside. Then press the side seams using your finger. Using a pencil, mark the pleat placement on the right side of the mask. Pin the side pleats as indicated with the pencil dots. It is important to place the side pleats in opposite direction. The small pleats under the eyes are designed to give the shape on the nose without adding any piece of foldable metal that would be difficult to find at home. So pin the nose pleats as indicated with the notch toward the side of the mask. It is important to place the edge of these diagonal pleats parallel one to the other and to fix them together. Fold the tie along the length to find its center. Then mark it here with a pencil. Place the tie strip inside of the mask along the edge. Center on center, as indicated with the notch and the pencil mark. Stitch the tie to the mask at 1/4 seam allowance. Then finger press the tie up to get all the seam allowance toward the mask tie here. Sew the tie to the mask starting at the end. Fold so that the 3" with the 1/4 seam allowance align with the folded edge of the mask tie. Done.